Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Gladys here. I'm so excited to have you guys back for another video. Guys, I love this topic actually. People always ask me, Gladys, why does my place look cluttered? Why does my place look so messy? And how do I fix it? Especially in the comment below. Your place looks so clean. It's so refreshing. No clutter. Guys, we are going to talk about this topic and I hope nobody take it to offense. I just want to help my people who need help. Let's do it. Number one, guys, your place looks cluttered and how you can fix it. It's because your house looks messy. Sorry. It is not that your house is ugly. It's not that your house is small. It just looks messy. Now I'm talking about whatever specific place you are in. And I always say that in all my videos, it could be you're renting from someone, you're in someone's basement, you're renting a room, you have your house, it could be a tiny home, a big home, a contemporary, whatever type of home you have. It looks cluttered and how you can fix it. Number one is because it looks messy. There are things everywhere. A messy house looks cluttered. It doesn't matter how beautiful the place is. No one is looking at the beauty. Everybody is concentrated on how messy the place is. And that's the fact. That is number one. Now how to fix it. Guys, clean it. It is not that hard. Clean the space, okay? Clean this space. Clean the space, guys. A lot of people have issues with cleaning, and I don't get it. I don't get it. Your place looks messy because it's dirty. So how you can fix it? Clean it. Ooh, this is gonna be juicy. The problem, the cause, solution, how to fix it. Let's do it. Number two. Number two, guys, I have mentioned this in several videos back. Too much stuff on your surface. Too much stuff on your surface. Now, when I'm talking about surface, I'm not only talking about countertops. I'm talking about bathroom countertops, coffee table, anything that is a surface. Too much stuff on it. That's what makes your place look cluttered. Are we having a trend here? There's a trend, right? Too much stuff. Too much stuff, not enough space. There was that commercial. I think it was like if you guys know what I'm talking about, leave it in the comment below. It's like this air thing, this bag, right? And then you put a vacuum and it sucks the air out of it, and then it becomes like a little compartment. You can put it under your bed. It helps you keep space in your closet. And then the commercial used to be like, too much stuff, not enough space. I used to love that back then. But no. You just have too much stuff on your corner spaces, your countertop, your surfaces. And how to remedy that is to go ahead and reduce some of those stuff. You cannot have all these things on your countertops and thinking it will not look cluttered. So it looks cluttered because of that. Number three, your space looks cluttered and how to fix it. It's because you have so much stuff on the walls. I mean, these are just one-on-one basic things, but it's just like maybe people just don't get it. You're looking at a space and you're like, it looks so refreshing. Why mine doesn't look like that? Why do you think we take like a magazine, right? And we're like flipping through it and you stop at a page, you're like, I love this. I want my space to look like that. What do you take away? What's your takeaway? What's your takeaway out of that picture, out of the magazine, out of that Pinterest photo? What's your takeaway? It's because you see something that attracts you. It's usually something that is calming, usually something that is, there's like a refreshing to it, right? It's because it doesn't have a lot of things on the wall. Unless you're a maximalist, that's a different video. You might not click on this video because it's for us little old people here who don't like a lot of things. you have a lot of things on the wall. I have mentioned that in few videos back of too much mirrors, too much wall art, and you guys literally agreed with it, and it's so true. You have too much stuff on your wall. How to remedy it? Go ahead and reduce it. Listen, I'm going to take this as slow as I possibly can for my minimalist babies to understand, right? Go ahead and reduce the things from your wall. Number 4, guys, closet space, especially entryway closet, where you keep shoes and coats. It looks cluttered because it's not organized, right? It is not organized. An organized home is a beautiful home because everything has a space. That we will get to that next. But it's because it's not organized. So if you have a small entryway closet, some people don't even have that. I remember, previous apartment we had, and we didn't even have an entryway, but the closet we had was behind what was supposed to be a dining room table, was behind there. So when I would used to buy bike for my daughter, my Christmas tree, when Christmas was over, I didn't know where to put it. I would stuff everything in there. We will close it and not even open it, because when you open it, stuff started falling out and falling on top of your head. I was not a minimalist back then. I had enough space. I just had too much junk, right? Organize that closet. So go ahead and declutter that space by minimizing and keeping certain things. So example that I can give you, instead of keeping all the shoes down there, keep some shoes in the kids' room, in your room or whatever, and just keep a small shoe rack. Like I want to do something better with this closet, but I prefer it this way for now until I'm able to change it. So I have a small shoe rack that we put our shoes there. If we overflow of shoes, I have a mat, right? Then I put my shoes in there, so it doesn't just look messy, like it's just there. And when we are overflowing of shoes, I literally tell my kids and my husband, bring the shoes to the prospective place. So put them back in your closet. You have closets and there is space in there. Put your shoes back in there, because that small closets then starts looking messy. Also in my coat closet downstairs, ironically, I don't keep any coats in there. I don't like coats being in there. It looks messy to me, and I feel it just looks too much to me. It doesn't matter for me even if it's organized. It just looks too much for me. So I don't keep any coats there. I forgot what number we were in. When you start talking too much, you forget your numbers. Next, guys, is to organize your home. Your home needs an organization system. Everything needs a space. Your space looks cluttered, and how to fix it is because you have things that is not organized, right? You may have beautiful things, they're just not organized. I have a little IKEA cabinet that I keep my paper clutter in there as soon as they get here. So if I don't have time, 1 is I keep them inside. 2, when I do have time, I remove what I don't need, I put it into the trash, and then I keep what I need into there until I can read it, rip it, and throw it out. You may wonder, Gladys, you don't keep any mails? No, I don't. I don't keep mails. I don't like bills. I literally call all the people I owe money to, or all the people that I tell them, don't bring me any paper bills. Keep it online. I don't want to see it here. Then I'm accumulating paper clutter. No. Also, when your kids come back from school and they show you guys all these fancy drawings that they have done from school, all the letters that the school is bringing, why are you keeping it? That's why their room looks cluttered. That's why your desk and your table looks cluttered, because you're keeping all this crap on the table and it looks messy. It looks messy. So go ahead, grab those paper clutters, rip them, have an organization system. Number 7, guys, it goes back to the organization system. This is simple, but it's because a lot of people don't do it. This is why we're having this type of conversation. Your home looks cluttered because, and how to fix it. Guys, your keys do not have anywhere to go. People keep their keys on their table, the remote control on their table. If you're looking for my remote control, you won't find it. You will find my keys in my keys compartment, which is in the IKEA drawer that I mentioned. You will also find it on the small little tray that I place at the entryway to organize that entryway. And I will do a video how to organize your entryway just to help you there as well, especially when you have a small place like mine. I will do a video with that, so stay tuned for that. But keep your keys on a tray somewhere where it's easy for you to see and grab, or put it somewhere where it's out of mind, out of sight, where you know in the back of your head this is where it goes. Prior, we used to have our keys hanging in our kitchen area by my what is it called, pantry, but it just looks messy to me. I don't like things on the wall, so I removed it and put it into the dresser that we have here, which is easy for me to find. Every morning I know if my keys are not here, they're literally over there by the entryway. So keep your keys somewhere. So guys, it's basically almost the same thing. Keep your home organized. Number 8, your home looks cluttered and how to organize it. How to fix it. I think that's the title. Yeah. You have too much furniture. I said it. Too much furniture. People have too much furniture. You have this small space, and that space is cluttered with so much furniture. I mean, how many people are you expecting at your home? How many people live with you? I mean, I know some people have lots of kids or lots of family members. Do y'all all sit at the same time every day? I don't know. I mean, based on the layout of your house, you know, look at the layout of your house, and depending on how many people you have in your home, reduce the amount of furniture you have. You don't need 4 to 5 credenzas, cabinets, all of that. You don't need it. It's not necessary. You can do without. You don't need 4 or 5 chairs. You can do without. I used to have 2 sofas in the same space. Yeah, in this small space, I had 2 sofas with 2 chairs. I had about 4 furnitures in here. No. It was too much. It looked cluttered. Number 9. Now, this may not be for you a visual clutter, but it's an order clutter. Some people's home smell. I don't know if you know, when you next to somebody, they smell like their house, or they smell like their environment they have been in. That is a smell clutter before you can even visually see it. As soon as you enter someone's place and it smells, for me, I don't care how beautiful it is. If your space smells, it's cluttered. It's something, it's dirty, something spoiled, something happened. You need to go look behind the trash, in the moldy clothes. Something smells, and remove it and fix it and wash it and mop it and dust it, right? Guys, I came home a few days ago and I was like, I know the smell in my house, and I'm always burning candle. As I mentioned, that I'm no longer doing the air wicks plug-in, things like that, to save money around the house, and it's good for the environment. But I'm always burning candle, and I'm burning candles of the season. So if it's the holidays, I'm burning some Candy Crush Christmas thing. Right now, it's like, smells very fallish here. So when I come home, I know what my home smells like. So as soon as I open the door and it smells musty, smells like fish, smells like old rotted meat, smells like my trash, I instantly know it, right? So as soon as you come to your own space, so as you're watching this video, right, go out and close the door, so that, you know, sometimes you're so used to the smell in your house that you cannot smell it anymore. So go out and take a fresh air, come back in and see if your house smells. Or somebody else will come tell you if it smells, because sometimes you can be in there and not smell it at all. So that's another visual clutter right there. That a smell clutter that you can get rid of, is to get rid of the smell in the house. Number 10, guys, enjoy your home after you have cleaned it I always give you guys a number 10 that is refreshing and encouraging after dumping all the hate, all the harsh talk. I bring something that is kind. Enjoy the hard work that you've done. The cleaning, the removing of the bad smell, the opening of the windows to let the fresh air out, the cleaning, the dusting. Enjoy your home, guys. Minimalism is not easy. There's no specific way to be a minimalist, but it's kind of cohesive. We're all on the same boat. We just don't like too much things, you know, and we enjoy it. Enjoy your home, guys. Enjoy your home. Enjoy. That's number 10. God bless you guys. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned for more videos. If you like the videos, go ahead and click on the like button. Also, if you love this video, go ahead and subscribe. Let me know which one was your favorite and what else you could do. And what I'm not used to a clutter home, so I don't know what. I had to do some research for this to see what clutter and things look like, so I can do this video for you guys. So what is it that's clutter in your home that you're like, my house looks clutter? Why and how can I fix it? Right? Leave that in the comment below. Maybe we might do my house looks clutter and how can I fix it number 2. God bless you guys. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye y'all. See ya.